press and hold on the up and the down, the up volume and power button at the same time. Press and hold them till you see the factory the recovery mode or the factory reset option. So let's start. Okay, let's start. Press them like this. Press them till you see the reboot, the recovery mode. You must not leave any of them like that. You must press them till you see the menu. Now use the down to move and the power as OK and select factory reset. Factory reset. Down, down, factory reset and press power. And come down, factory reset and press power. Now press power to reboot your phone. And check the link below the description how to bypass Google account on Samsung A3 code.